Okay, let's do a warm up for our neck. We want to do this so that we're getting into our outer range. We're giving our nervous system some information and motor control. And that allows us to get more sensory awareness. So let's get into it. Okay, neck car is really important that we breathe in and radiate so we can create a good base for our neck to work around. We're doing this so that our nervous system gets more sensory awareness in our outer range. We get better mapping to the nervous system of how to have better motor control in these areas. So let's breathe in and irradiate. Flexion. We're going to go to the right. Rotation, lateral bend, extend. Laterally bend. Flex and rotate. And coming down into that neutral position. Let's keep going. Searching for our outer range. We're looking for the movement that we have ownership over. Making the biggest circle possible. Making sure that you're not compensating with the shoulders, you're just moving the neck. Okay, last rep to the right. Slow and controlled. Great, let's go to the other side. Flex, laterally bend, rotate. Extend. Search for the best possible range. Making sure we're not going into any pinch points or any sharpness. Taking note of where those restricted areas are, so you can work on those. Last rep, coming down into flexion. Great. Okay, these movements need to be slow and controlled. We're going to work on flexion and extension first of all. So breathe in and irradiate. We're going to chin tuck, one vertebra at a time, going into flexion. Searching for that full range in flexion, and then coming back up, maintaining that chin tuck, extending back, going into extension. Find the movement that you have ownership over. Don't go into any pinch points or sharpness. Work around that. So this is working within your pain-free range. Let's do the last rep here. Slow and controlled, chin tuck, one vertebra at a time as we go back into extension. And now back into flexion. Amazing, let's go into rotation now. Start off to the right, breathe in and irradiate. Searching for your best possible range and pain-free range. Don't go into any sharpness. Rotate to the right and left. Last rep. Great, let's do lateral flexion, going to a right. Last rep. Amazing. Okay, neck cars, breathe in and irradiate. Chin tuck, segment by segment, going down into full flexion. Slow and controlled to the right. Giving your nervous system the information, you having motor control in your outer range. This gives our nervous system more sensory awareness and control. Now I want you to note where those tight areas are. Got a tight area through here. And I want you to stop at that tight area and then just go back and forth through that area for 4 reps, and then continue through your range of motion till you find another tight area. And I want you to just back and forth 4 reps. And then continue through. So those tight areas, we want to just stop and go back and forth. I've got 2 kind of tight areas that I've found, and I'm just working them as I go through my controlled articular rotations. Okay, last rep. To the right. Stop at those areas of tension and restriction. Not just slow and controlled, going back and forth into those areas. Okay, let's go to our left. First rep is we just search for those areas of tension. Where do I feel that restriction? Is it the same areas? I want you to go back and forth. On the next rep, so that we're just focusing on those tight areas of our neck. So just here for me. Great, last rep, just doing that back and forth. We stop at that areas of tension, go back and forth 4 times, and then we continue on with our controlled articular rotation. Good. Coming back into flexion, and well done.